better spirits. I'm still a little sad about the passing of my baby, but you know. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of some leggings. I got put onto these leggings by my little cousin. She swears by them. She only buys their leggings, and she claims they're literally like the best leggings on earth. And you guys, I'm hoping my camera is looking nice and crispy. I'm still testing out this Sony, trying to determine if I want to keep it or return it. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer how this looks or my Canon, because I swear y'all, I really don't know. To me, it's kind of giving the same. So this is the box. I just got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you. We're gonna try on these leggings. We're gonna do everything on video. So inside, it looks like we have a return slip and we have our receipt. So these leggings are from Wolford.com. And I believe it's a Wolford store here in Chicago, but y'all know I ain't going to the store. So these are called the Perfect Fit leggings, okay? Opaque, soft knitted waistband leggings, okay? And this is how the box looks. Okay, it doesn't look like much. So I actually picked up my leggings in a size large, okay? So a size large at Wolford is equivalent to a 14-16, okay? So these are 8% elastic, so they're gonna be really nice and stretchy, and 92% nylon. So they are kind of like that that nylon-y type of legging, which is my favorite type of legging. So I almost don't even want to tell you guys the price of these leggings because they were expensive, y'all. So this is how they come. Ooh, nice and fancy, wrapped up. I ain't never had my leggings fancy like this. So yeah, this is how it looks. As you guys can see, a size large. Okay, size large. Y'all do not know, I've been wanting these leggings for the longest. So I'll go ahead and put them on. Let's see if I struggle. I'm not struggling yet, y'all. Wow, y'all, I love these already. Okay, you guys, so I just put on the leggings. I hate when my leggings don't fit like up in here. That's important for me. I like stuff to fit right there, nice and smoothing. You guys, these are awesome. These are the best leggings I've ever had. Like, so soft. I don't know, you guys. Don't sleep on these leggings. Now I'm gonna tell you, the price is really high, you guys. They're $200 plus. I know. They're like, I believe they're like $210, but you can get like a discount, like a coupon code or like 15% off. But they're worth it to me, you guys. But that's pretty much it, you guys, for the video. I just wanted to share these amazing leggings with y'all because y'all my best friends and I want to put y'all on when I'm put on, okay? So definitely check out these leggings, you guys. I'm gonna have it linked below. And my hair info, I'll have that linked below as well. It's just a traditional sew-in with my hair in there. My hair, yeah, traditional sewing, yeah. But I believe that's it, you guys. Everything from today's video will be linked below. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.